Welcome back again. My name is Joshua. This is my YouTube channel. Today's video will be on division of fractions. And to start with is 3 over 4 divided by 12. So this is a fraction being divided by a whole number. So this one becomes 3 over 4. So whenever you are dividing fractions, so you should ensure that you change the sign of division to multiplication. So this one becomes times. Then 12 is the same as 12 over 1. And then you find the reciprocal of 12 over 1. This one is 12 over 1 becomes 1 over 12. So this one becomes 3 over 4 times 1 over 12. So we can cancel this one, or we can divide by cancellation method 3 and 12. So 3 by 3 is 1, 12 by 3 is 4. So 1 times 1 is 1, 4 times 4 is 16. So this answer becomes 1 over 16. So we have 2 over 3 divided by 1 over 18. So we have this one becomes 2 over 3. Then change the sign as usual, times. After changing the sign, remember to reciprocate the divisor. 1 over 18 becomes 18 over 1. So check if there is any number that you can cancel. So 3 and 18 you can cancel, divided by cancelling by 3 1, by 3 6. 2 times 6 is 12. 1 times 1 is 1. 12 over 1 is the same as 12. So question C, we have 4/5 divided by 2/3. So this one will be 4 over 5. Change the sign from multiplication, from division to multiplication, times 2 over 3. The reciprocal of 2 over 3 is 3 over 2. So check if there is any number that you can cancel. So 2 and 4 can be cancelled or can be divided. 2 by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So 2 times 3 is 6. 5 times 1 is 5. So this number can't be left out like this because it's an improper fraction. So we should simplify it to a mixed number. But you can leave it if you're not told to do so. But for safety reasons, we should convert this one into a mixed number. So divide 6 by 5. So it becomes 1 because of 5. Remainder 1. So this answer becomes 1, remainder 1 over 5. That's our answer there. So number D, we have 12 and 4/5 divided by 16. So this is a mixed number being divided by a whole number. So what we start by converting this one into an improper fraction. So this one becomes 5 times 12 is 60. 60 plus 4 is 64. This one becomes 64 over 5 divided by 16. Next step is to say 64 over 5. 16 is the same as 16 over 1. So we change the sign to multiplication as usual. Then reciprocate the divisor. 16 over 1 becomes 1 over 16. Then again check if there is any number that can be divided. That is there. 16 and 64 can be divided. So you can divide by cancellation. 16 by 2 is 8. 64 by 2 is 32. You can still simplify this one. 8 is a factor of 32. So by 8 1, by 8 it's 4. So we remain with 4 times 1 is 4. 5 times 1 is 5. So our solution to this problem becomes 4/5. So we have question A, which is 13 over 4 divided by 5 and a fifth. So this one becomes 13 over 14 divided by Convert this one into an improper fraction. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 plus 1 is 26. This one becomes 26 over 5. So this one becomes 13 over 14. Then change this sign to multiplication and then reciprocate the divisor. Then 6 over 5 becomes 5 over 26. So check if there is numbers that can be divided by cancelling. So this one becomes 13 can be divided by 13, then 26 by 13. So by 13 1, by 13 we have 2. So 1 times 5 is 5. Then 14 times 2 is 28. So our answer becomes 5 over 28. Then our last question is 3/7 divided by 3 and a quarter. So convert this one into an improper fraction. This one becomes 7 times 7 is 49. 49 times plus 3 is 52. 52 over 7. Then divided by, convert also this one into an improper fraction. Sorry for interruption. This one was 57 over 7 divided by 3 and a quarter should be converted into an improper fraction. So 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So this one becomes 13 over 4. So the next step is to say 52 over 7. Change the sign to multiplication. Then reciprocate the divisor. 13 over 4 becomes 4 over 13. So 13 and 52 can divide each other. So they can cancel this one by 13 1. By 13 it's 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 7 times 1 is 7. So again we're saying that unless you are told to leave your answer in an improper fraction, it's going to convert it into an improper fraction to a mixed number. So 16 over 7, this one becomes 16 divided by 7. So we have 2 because of 14, remainder of 2. So our answer becomes 2 over 7. That's the answer. So thanks for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you do click on that notifications bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you.